DAJA DJ6 Mini Portable Laser Engraver Review. A compact powerhouse for DIY enthusiasts, the DAJA DJ6 Mini Portable Laser Engraver has taken the DIY world by storm, offering a compact and affordable solution for those looking to add a personal touch to their projects. This review will delve into its features, performance, and suitability for various materials. Key features: portability. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and use in various locations. Versatility. Engraves on a wide range of materials, including wood, leather, paper, plastic, and more. Bluetooth connectivity. Easily connect to your smartphone or computer for wireless operation. Precision. Delivers precise and detailed engravings. Safety features. Equipped with safety features to protect the user and the device. DAJA DJ6 Mini Portable Laser Engraver Performance. The DAJA DJ6 Mini packs a surprising amount of power into its small frame. It offers adjustable laser power, allowing you to customize the engraving depth based on the material and desired effect. The engraving speed is also adjustable, providing flexibility for different projects. Ease of use. Setting up and operating the DAJA DJ6 Mini is straightforward, even for beginners. The accompanying software offers a user-friendly interface with pre-designed templates and the ability to create custom designs. The Bluetooth connectivity ensures a seamless workflow. Materials compatibility. The DJ6 Mini can engrave on a variety of materials, including wood, ideal for creating personalized wooden signs, boxes, and ornaments. Leather, perfect for customizing leather goods like wallets, keychains, and phone cases. Paper, create unique cards, invitations, and other paper crafts. Plastic, engrave on acrylic, PVC, and other plastics. The different materials that can be engraved with the DJ6 Mini. Limitations. While the DAJA DJ6 Mini offers impressive capabilities, it's essential to consider its limitations. Work area. The engraving area is relatively small, limiting the size of projects. Material thickness. The maximum material thickness that can be engraved may vary. Laser power. While powerful for its size, it may not be suitable for extremely thick or hard materials. Conclusion. The DAJA DJ6 Mini Portable Laser Engraver is a versatile and user-friendly tool that opens up a world of creative possibilities. Its compact size, precision, and wide range of material compatibility make it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your projects, this mini laser engraver is definitely worth considering. Key considerations before purchasing. Project size. Ensure the engraving area is sufficient for your intended projects. Material compatibility. Check if the machine can handle the specific materials you plan to work with. Safety features. Prioritize safety by choosing a machine with adequate safety features. Would you like to know more about specific features, or perhaps compare it to other laser engravers on the market? Additional tips. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation when using the laser engraver to avoid fumes. Safety glasses. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Material preparation. Prepare your materials by cleaning and sanding them for optimal results.